Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to use stickers on WhatsApp. So normally if we go to our WhatsApp over here and we go to a chat, press on more, there's nothing. If we press on emojis, it's just emojis and maybe GIFs, and over here a few stickers, if we go to add more, we can just download a few. So you can obviously use these, right? You can go to my stickers and then you can basically delete or add some, but we want a stickers that's outside this range, right? We want more stickers than that. So we're gonna go here and type in WhatsApp stickers. From here, this is a sticker maker for WhatsApp. If you have this, you can basically make your own stickers, but we don't really want that. Let's go with some anime stickers, why not? So we're just gonna download this. Sorry about that. This is just gonna get downloaded. Once it's done downloading, we want to open it. We're just waiting for this. I'll meet you guys when it's done installing. And we're back. By the look of it, it's done installing, so we're just gonna open it and we're just gonna let it load. It's so much loading, we're just gonna skip all this. And then from here, it's gonna show us some stickers, right? So we wanna press on this WhatsApp, we wanna press on download. We'll also give them a follow. Okay, maybe we won't give them a follow. We'll just go back and then we just wanna press on add to WhatsApp. And then I want to press on add once again, and once it's done adding, we just want to open up our WhatsApp, go here. As you can see, we have these stickers ready to use. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.